Hi, it's day 4 of the 7-day decluttering challenge. Welcome back. Thanks for sticking with it. Day 1, we started small, and then the next day we focused on low-hanging fruit, and yesterday was finding 10 things to let go of. Today I would like you to find one thing, one large thing to let go of. Either sell it, recycle it, donate it, discard it, whatever needs to be done. And if you have any questions about what to do with it, please reach out to me and I can help you out. So that one thing, maybe it's a large piece of furniture you never use. Maybe it's something sitting in your garage like a boat that has not been used in a decade and you could sell that or give it away, donate it. We have donated cars to, or a truck to, I think it's called Rawhide. So big item, a big piece of exercise equipment like I mentioned the other day, that's just gathering dust or gathering clothing. It's more like a clothing rack than an exercise piece of equipment. Electronics, TV, furniture, think big today. There you go, one big item. You've got this. I'll see you next time.